Hi, I am T. Kavitha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today, this video's aim is to clear explanation of SNS roadmap. The SNS institution have established a detailed framework centered on design thinking aimed at fundamentally redesigning education to produce innovators and leaders. Is the goal of education just to get a high paying job? Then our vision is to build it through a design thinking framework, fostering innovation, problem solving, and adaptability. To build an entrepreneurial mindset through design thinking framework, this vision requires changing the emphasis from solely pursuing high paying position to building an entrepreneurial attitude which fosters problem solving, innovation, and adaptability. Our motto is sincerity, nobility, and service. The next one, engine of innovation. That is the power of design thinking. Design thinking is described as an innovative human centered approach that integrates three elements: the need of people, the possibilities of technologies, and the requirements for successful people. The 5 stages of DT is the DT approach is structured into 5 sequential stages, that is empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test. The first one, empathize, means understanding your needs and problems. The second one, define, that is framing the problem clearly. Third one, ideate, brainstorming creative solutions. The fourth one, prototype, developing working models or concepts. The last one, test, that is evaluating and refining for improvement. Here, the most first main part is SNS is the first Indian institution to implement and patent a design thinking framework. The next one is a 5 pillar framework. The 5 pillar framework, that to achieve the goal of creative innovators, SNS utilizes a 5 pillar strategy with each pillar focusing a distinct area of education and a personal development. First one, CLT, that is the Center of Learning and Teaching. This pillar is dedicated to guiding teachers to handle DT based course delivery using innovative teaching methods. The second one, SCD, that is skill and career development. This aims at building life skills, that social, emotional, and cognitive through various contests and clubs. CLT and SCD builds career oriented and employability skills. The third one, Center for Creativity, that is CFC. This serves as the creative hub for research, innovation, and entrepreneurship. It provides students with a practical, hands-on experience in solving real-world industrial problems using the latest technology. The fourth one is IIPC, that is Industry Institute Placement Cell. This goal is to bridge the gap between academia and industry. The last one, Social Responsibility Initiative, that is SRI. This emphasizes community engagement and social responsibility. SRI encourages students and staff involvement in community development and implements design thinking. The next one is the 3P culture. The institution leaders foster the 3P culture to create a conducive environment. The definition of the 3P differs slightly between the sources. That is, here the 3P is purpose, process, and people. That the third one is a journey to change. That is, the institutional roadmap defines the journey of innovation and learning through the 3 stages. First one, chaos, represents the beginning of innovation, acting as a space of exploration and curiosity. This stage encourages creative disturbance, out of the box thinking, and teaches students to question existing patterns. The second stage is challenges. These arise from chaos and our opportunities to learn, test, and transform. This stage focuses on real world problem solving through design thinking, collaboration, and critical thinking, turning problems into possibilities. Third one, change. This stage signifies transformation after overcoming challenges. Students develop a mindset of empathy and innovation, learn to apply knowledge for social and industrial impact. and experience continuous growth in resulting in empowered innovation. The fourth one is the goal of SNS was to uh, create great innovators and teachers, not merely graduates. That is, empowering you with an entrepreneurial spirit to create with own future and become a true innovator. Students are expected to learn emerging innovation technologies and identify potential problems from innovation industry verticals, solve them, get a hands-on experience, and eventually innovate, incubate, and evaluate their ideas into startups. The next main thing is spine. The spine